Now, the question is, why is he always falling at the same place even though the vehicle is moving? What is the principle of physics that explains this action? Listen to me.
What is the principle of physics that explains this action? That's the question. Well, the principle of physics is called conservation of momentum, Brian. But the true question should be why every time globe cult religious fanatics try to use this as a proof that the earth rotates and is moving and is not what is obviously known to anyone that genuinely objectively investigates, that the earth is stationary and is not moving. The question truly is, why do these globe priests constantly use conservation of linear momentum in place of the conservation of angular momentum that would have to be present if we were on a giant whirling, twirling space ball engulfed in a vacuum with no barrier between us and it? So, this is a common straw man argument presented by religious fanatic cult members that worship a ball in space that doesn't exist. Learn the difference between linear momentum and angular momentum and how the conservation of either is completely different. Yet every time the globe cult presents a conservation of momentum example, it always uses linear momentum, which is irrelevant to a sphere going in circles. The correct representation would be conservation of angular momentum. So, Brian, go get on a merry-go-round and throw a ball up as it's going around and show us how the ball never lands in the same place due to the non-conservation of angular momentum, the correct momentum that would be present on a whirly, twirly space ball. Thanks for your input. You have yourself a great True Earth Summit, big guy.